Hi everyone! I started with my entire face done, foundation, blush, contour, eyes, lips, everything. You can really do this the way that you want to. I just really like the contrast between the glam and the gore. You can do something like this. It's just simple makeup, no makeup at all, just whatever you want to go with. So that's why I'm starting right here. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with my Mehron Paradise Paint, going in with that black color, and I'm going to outline where I want my seams to be. I personally like to do this teardrop shape around the eyes, but you can do whatever shape you want to do. Then I'm going to outline a smile shape around my mouth to make it nice and creepy. It's okay if you make some mistakes because we are going to go in and add stitches, so you can cover up anywhere that you misline. Then we're going to go in on the nose and create a cute little teardrop shape, and then we're going to start on those stitches. Now the stitches definitely do not need to be perfect. You can make them as crazy looking as you want, have some long, have some short, just whatever makes you happy. You can add as many or as few as you want, just try not to make it too cluttered looking because it can take away from the effect. I also like to alternate between doing X's and just lines, just to add a little bit more interest to it. Then we're going to go in with the color Beach Berry and add the entrance holes for the stitches. For some reason I didn't film it, but when I got done with this, I went around with a white eyeliner pencil and added highlights to the top of each of those stitch holes. Then I'm going to take the colors Hot Stuff and Serve Looks from the Morphe 39L palette and make that skin look really irritated and gross. I tried not to go too far out of the stitch lines because I didn't want everything to muddle together too much, and this is also going to act as a base for your blood. Then I'm going to go in with the Mehron Blood Splatter Spray, put it in a little container, and use a stipple sponge to apply it instead of just spraying it on. And once I'm satisfied with how that looks, I'm going to go in with that black face paint one more time and redo some of those lines, adding the color and the blood, kind of faded it out, and I really want them to stand out a little bit more. This is a very time-consuming look, but I personally think that it is very worth it in the end. Once I get done retracing all of those lines, I'm going to take that blood splatter spray one more time and just spritz it on my neck, and then here we are with the final look. Overall, it's not a hard look to accomplish, but it does take a while to achieve. I hope y'all enjoyed this look, and I hope you come back. Bye!